beautiful people. You thought it was over, didn't you? Guess what? I thought it was over too. But there's been a request for some turkey breast tacos, so we're gonna throw them on there. Now we're gonna throw them on there, okay? These are some turkey breasts that I had. We butchered the turkey not too long ago, so we are going to put these on the grill today. All right, so just stay tuned for that. Never mind the little wooden stand I got these things sitting on, but just stay tuned, okay? We're gonna break this stuff down, and we're gonna have some good old turkey. Some good old turkey, smoked turkey breast. See if I can't tear it apart. I might not be able to, but if I'm not able to, oh well. So that is a big old turkey, Tom. The breast of them. So we'll set that right there. But you know what? I'll put that up there first, like that, just so we can salt it down real good. You know, that's a lot of meat, so we want to put some salt on there. You know what I'm saying? And we want to crush some of that good old pepper. Crush some good old peppercorns on there. You know what I mean? At the same time, that fire's down there getting ready to cook this stuff down. Okay. Piece real quick. Just stay tuned on that piece right there. I'll be right with you. Okay. There we go. This is the other piece. So we want to open it up real good. We're going to open it up real good. All right. Yeah. There you go. So it's going to be a lot of skin on that, but that skin ain't going to be bad, I'm telling you. Skin ain't going to be bad. Turn that thing upside down, like so. Right? Yeah, we're going to close it down one time, just to muffle the fire out a little bit. Just to muffle the fire out a little bit. All right. Let's see what that fire talking about. Okay, is that fire gonna behave? It's looking like that fire's gonna behave. So I'm gonna open it back up because the name of the game is smoke. But you want to get some of that pepper. Ooh, bag up all of it a little bit. You understand? Ooh-wee. There will definitely be a nice smoke flavor on this meat. And that's what I want. I want to cook with the smoke. I want to cook with the smoke. That's what we want to cook with, the smoke. Okay. Muffle it down a little bit. Let's see if it's still cooperating. So we're gonna be dealing with a lot of smoke on this stuff. So let smoke pass on. Salt that thing down. We're gonna salt it down real good. flavor. We already gonna get the smoke. We got to get that pepper and salt in there too. Okay. So now we're gonna close that up. We'll come back to see about it a little later on. All right. Let's see what that temp gonna do. Okay. 200. Gonna start off with 200. All we're gonna do is just keep an eye on that, and we want to get a nice, crispy, smoky taste on that turkey, because we're gonna cook it through, and then we're gonna break it down for it to soften a little bit, so we can get these tacos going. But I'm gonna leave y'all to it, and we shall be back for part 2 of this, or the ending aftermath of it. And the aftermath will probably be us in the kitchen breaking it down, getting ready to put it on some tortillas with some cheese and onions, and tomatoes and lettuce and all that good yummy stuff. Until next time, I'm Abishua with Lil Southwest Homestead. Y'all stay tuned and y'all be good. Later.